passing through, and he pulled out from here, or no, from there. I think those two lanes going this way. I think in the right, yeah, in the rightmost lane coming this way.
Because you guys have a couple different versions about what happened. So we had a third-party witness that watched the entire thing. I'm just trying to clarify your guys' story a little bit. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
I know you just said what happened. Will you do it one more time for me?
Yes. So I was in the left-hand lane over here going this way.
Which way?
So going this way straight. So I could not see.
She's a witness.
Ones.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was going straight and I saw this car right here. The black car was making a left turn and this car went right into it. And that light turned green right when it happened. So I'm assuming he was trying to quickly get left before the light turned, and this car went bam right into it.
Okay.
So it was just straight going this way.
Did you see, was this car in the intersection?
So this car was the left. They both were in their section when it happened. Like,
gotcha.
bam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you just fill out a quick witness statement
Yes,
for me
yes.
really quick? Just need your identifying information, and what you say happened is really important to us, okay?
Okay.
So just fill out, have you filled one of these out before?
I haven't.
So just identifying information, exactly what you just told me right there, okay? The seat calling 28.
He's getting run over.
Well, let me talk to this guy and I'll call you back. Alright.
How are you, sir?
A little shaken up.
Yeah, I'm Officer McCray. Do you need an ambulance or anything to come check you out?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Does anything hurt on you right now?
Yeah.
Like, can you tell me where? What hurts?
My left ear's ringing, my hip's a little sore, my shoulder's got something.
Are you sure you don't want an
there's
ambulance
nothing
to come and
broken
check out or anything like that? All right.
Yeah.
So can you just tell me what happened really quick?
I was turning.
Which way were you turning? Which way were you
I was coming here, turning left.
Okay.
It was yellow. Everyone started stopping, except for them. I think they sped up, trying to make it, and just got slammed.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so what I need from you is just your driver's license, the registration, proof of insurance on your vehicle, and then I'm going to leave this here for you. This is just a witness statement about just your version about what happened. If you can fill that out for me.
Let me grab my other.
Okay.
I might have to give you my insurance card on my phone.
That would be just fine. $313.27. He's gonna need one of the airbags went off. You gotta have one.
Do you have a preference, like you have a tow truck you like?
Who's the driver? You the driver?
Yeah.
Can you tell me just really quick what happened?
I was coming this way and he was just passing through, and he pulled out from here, or no, from there. I think.
Do you remember which lane you were in?
I was in one of those two lanes going this way. I think in the right. Yeah, in the rightmost lane coming this way.
Okay.
And he would have been there going left. And as I was coming through, he turned in and I T-boned into the side.
Okay. Do you remember looking at the light?
Yeah, it just turned yellow as I was getting into the intersection.
Gotcha. Okay, are either one of you injured in any way, shape, or form? No, nothing hurts? Okay, do you have your registration and proof of insurance on your vehicle?
February 12th, 07, same address on Cimarron. So he was a passenger.
Okay.
His insurance, mom's on the way. He doesn't have a copy right now, right?
That's mom right now.
Okay. That'll work out. I'll just go ahead and...
Do you need to be on speaker?
He's got his brochure pull up on his phone. I just have a picture of it if you want me to text it to you.
Yeah, just text it to me. That'll work out.
There
There you go, bud.
Thanks.
All right. And then, did you get a record coming for this?
Yeah, I got one coming for this one.
Okay. He's going to need one too. He's a little leaking. Did you get one for this guy as well? Control 313. We're going to need a record for the 6 Juliet Fox as well. Mom's on her way?
Yeah, she's gonna be a minute. She's got to shuttle over from where she's at to her car and then drive over.
Gotcha. Okay, what I need you to do is just fill out this witness statement for me. This is just your identifying information. Down here, put exactly what you told me that happened. You two, are you brothers or friends?
Yeah.
Or, okay, all I needed, I just need his, like, down here, let's put name, date of birth, your address, and your phone number. That work just right down here. I have to list him as a passenger. Okay, are you injured in any way, shape, or form? No? Okay. Perfect. Okay, just give us a couple of minutes and we'll get the paperwork. All right?
All right.
And we're going to have a tow truck come and get your car since you're leaking fluids. You're not going to last too long.
Just as I left the house, put oil on.
Of course.
Just topped it up.
Welcome to real life. Yeah, that's Murphy. He's working. All right, guys, just hang tight.
Hey, by the way, as you're watching this, what are the body cams on Law and Crime prove? Maybe that the world is scary and unpredictable and having a great lawyer matters. And that is where Morgan & Morgan, the exclusive personal injury law firm of Law and Crime, comes in. Now, not only do they give us, amazing little merchandise here, look at this hat, fits actually pretty well, but they're also a firm with over 1,000 attorneys, and that is because they win a lot. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan secured a $29 million verdict for a bicyclist in Philadelphia, a $2.7 million verdict for a car accident victim in Florida, not to mention $5.6 million for a car crash victim in Georgia after insurance offered that client $0. And even if you think your case isn't worth millions of dollars, why not start a claim and fight for what you deserve? And Morgan & Morgan makes it so simple. You can start a claim from your phone in just 8 clicks. So if you're injured, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/LCBodycam.
Control 313. Did you copy that second record traffic? Cool. You just let me know, then I'll help control.
Texted that insurance company.
Okay, thanks. What's that? Yeah, if you wouldn't mind. If not, I'll grab them. Okay.
So I just use your phone. That way you don't have to text them all.
Yeah, good idea.
Trying real hard. It hurts sometimes.
So smart. Thank you. How can I help you? Just, I don't know. Probably don't really need you anymore.
Okay.
No, I was trying to explain what the northeast, southwest.
Black car, okay. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you very much for stopping.
yes.
We really appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Have a better rest of your day.
Okay, I'm assuming they'll seem to be walking.
I think so. Yeah, I think everything's okay. Appreciate you stopping. Have a good one. So Sarge's taking pictures. I'm just waiting for everybody's on statements. I'm just waiting for another insurance card, and then we're good. So if you want to hang out, just make sure no residential. Otherwise, we're good, man. Bye.
That was him for that incident. I'll be in the lobby shortly. You said he left though? He disconnected the phone. I'm not sure if he is still there or not. Copy that. Can you reopen that case? I'll be going 82 shortly if he's there. Edward. Fire Bravo 102. Do you need 58 on that? Make sure you got 5,000 might be off. Deferrals are in the way. Control 102, you'll sign the primary on this, please.
You get all around there?
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Anything else I can do for you in the meantime?
I don't think so. I'm just gonna wait for Mom to get that other insurance card, and then we'll be golden. So I'll just knock out the paperwork real quick.
313, District 14. The 51 for the Fiesta is mock towing, and the one for the Audi is going to be Glenn's mobile repair.
Copy, thanks.
Bravo 23. 10-4. You copy at 28. Go ahead. Dire, one hook here for detectives. Control, develop 10 Alpha, I'll be out on a 1046, the 515 exit. Sorry, 515 exit 5. That's what? Gonna be Arizona. Historic vehicle, please. Control to Delta 5242. That's where? Sorry, you're quite estimated. Sorry, did you say 22? I still can't hear you. Sorry. Control 44. Show me 42. That's one. 52, I'm off duty. Excellent. Alright, Bravo, the call taker is on the phone right now. I'll have Miami the number as soon as he gets it. Thank you.
Awesome.
Control 10 Alpha, we got the vehicle pushed down to 120 east. That's what?
Wow.
Tomorrow 3, I'll be 42. Every night. 1701 as well. Hey Bravo, Steve, ready for a vehicle alarm or the suicidal facility targeting.
Just made your situation a little more complicated.
Like, what do you mean his fault? I mean, if it's yellow, it's not his fault. You gotta yield.
Well, and it depends on how long that lady looked at that to see the light change.
And she said it turned green right after. This
I mean, because at face value, this looks like a simple failure to yield.
I think they're red both ways for 2 seconds.
Yeah, you
You know what I mean? It's really.
Well, yeah, it's hard because you don't know when they entered the intersection. But she said they collided after her light turned green. So, what's the delay between a red light, them getting a red light? Oh, there is.
Red for 2 seconds. I read on it.
So they both may have run the red light. So I don't know who do.
Well, the one was already in the intersection. He was trying to clear it. So he'd already entered the intersection when it was yellow.
Right.
May have turned red when he was in the intersection, but he still needs to clear that
The
intersection.
question is, when did the oncoming car enter the intersection?
Eastbound guy. Across the stop line.
Well, so the collision happened, and that was 2 seconds. 2 seconds prior to that collision, there's no way that Audi was in the intersection, especially with that damage for 2 seconds. Even, I mean, 2 seconds, you'd have to be doing like less than 15 miles an hour, but that ain't happening.
Well, what I'm saying is, yeah, he could have started his turn as the guy runs the red, crash happens. So I think he turned and crashed. But then was it like, boom, oh, a crash just happened. Oh, it's green.
Yeah.
Then that's within that 2 second buffer. You know what I'm saying?
Did Audi say that he came in on a yellow though? That's the question.
I'm gonna chat with them again, see what he says.
saw what the light was.
His blend's getting.
Huh?
They're getting me out.
We're going to get a hold of the hotel and find out which room number she's in, and we'll try and get a 21 for the female.
I'm all clear on both records.
Okay.
I think.
I'm gonna go chat with him a little quick. Sir, can I just chat with you down here really quick? I just had a couple questions about your statement. So tell me, so here you asked, he said he was really nice, he kept saying it was his fault. Like, what was he saying?
He said, I don't remember his exact words. He said, I'm sorry, it was my fault, it's totally my fault. And he repeated it a couple different times.
Okay, so the question is really like at what point did you look at the light and realize that it was yellow? Or do you remember that?
Well, so it turned yellow. I waited in the intersection. I saw cars slowing down. Thought I was okay. I think since he was in the furthest lane, it must have blocked my vision.
Partially hidden. Okay.
And then tried to make it.
Okay. Let me just ask a couple more questions. So.
Okay.
Did you get everything you need out of here? Okay.
So I'm just putting a few things in there.
Okay. Just hang tight. I got some paperwork for you, and then I'll get you on your way. Hey, buddy, y'all done?
I need a sign in front of you?
Yes, please. Okay. Did you make any statements to him after the incident happened?
I said, are you alright? And then as we pulled up here, I had him check on them.
Okay. All right. Did you make a statement saying that it was your fault?
No.
What's that?
No.
When I got out, I was like worried, so I just went out. I was like, "Yeah, it wasn't your fault. It was our fault. We were the ones messed up." When I first went up to him and to check on him.
Okay. You said that to him?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what do you mean by that?
I think it was just trying like not to.
Okay, because you guys have a couple different versions about what happened. So we had a third party witness that watched the entire thing. I'm just trying to clarify your guys' story a little bit. So you're heading
from that rightmost through lane through the intersection. And maybe a second or so before I reached the intersection, the light changed yellow.
Okay, you remember looking at the light?
Yeah, I was looking up at the light just before getting there.
Okay.
I saw it shift yellow. And as I get into the intersection, there was a vehicle in the lane between, like, the leftmost through lane that was forward some.
So people on the side of you were slowing down to a stop.
I had seen someone slowing down, and I wondered why they had slowed so much.
Okay.
But
why do you think that they were slowing down?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Maybe because the light was turning red?
Well, I was close enough to the light that I would end up in the intersection if I had tried to brake from that speed.
Okay.
I was going the speed limit. I had just made sure.
Okay. How long was that? Like, when did you last check your speed?
Probably back, like, maybe halfway down that road to that where it curves. Maybe halfway down that distance. I just looked.
Gotcha. All right. 1 second. Is your mom almost here? Or?
I'm not sure. She's over. She had the shuttle from where she worked in her car.
Is she not able to just send you a text message of a picture of the? I just need a picture of the insurance card.
She just pulled in. She just pulled in.
Okay.
That's her.
Perfect. Sir, which one told you that?
The shorter one.
The shorter one? Okay.
Oh man.
What's that?
I was saying he didn't.
Well, he's not the driver, so I'm not. So the little one's not the driver. You know what I mean?
I'm not trying to.
No, I get it. I'm just trying to figure out the timeline there. So the witness said she saw the light turn green after, like right about when the collision happened, but I don't know that time. So after a light. What's that?
This light turned green?
Yeah, she was right here, watching here. So she had like the front row seat to the accident there. Does that make sense? So let me.
So would that mean that she thought that he timed the green light? Because if it just turned green.
That was, but see, there's a delay from when your light turns red till it turns. Her light would turn green.
Her light turned green.
Her light turned green. Yeah, her light turned green.
So that one was really red.
Right.
Yeah.
So, but then that was when the collision happened. But there is a delay in between when the lights, they don't just automatically switch, because you can imagine how many more accidents or how many crashes we would have with that. So, okay, just give me a couple minutes. I think we're just waiting for some documentation, then we'll get you guys on your way. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I told her to get
I
that.
think I'm gonna just do a failure to yield.
On the guy that turned left? Okay. Yeah.
So based upon the statement, it was the younger brother, not even the driver, that said, "Oh, dude, our fault. Sorry."
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm like, I can't really go off of that, but I think that based upon everything, I don't really have solid evidence that the lights were red when he blew the light, but I have solid evidence that he failed to yield.
Oh yeah. Well, and you got to.
And then
whatever it is, you got to make sure it's.
Yeah.
Or neither.
Yeah, I don't know.
Whatever you want to do, I'm not here. 10:42.
You know what?
Let's just sweep up that debris real quick.
Yeah, if you can just push it out of the road, that'd be great. Yeah, that's my thing.
I don't know.
Sometimes you can't say it. He's like, no.
I know, you're right. I wish that she would be a little bit more sure. Because yeah, here's the thing: is she probably watched the accident, and then she had the holy, and then you have reaction time after that before she finally looks up.
She said she wants to change the green. Yeah, it's tight.
But the thing is with that reaction time,
This, I don't know. My opinion, this is a good one for the insurance company to figure out.
yeah, I think you're right. I don't think I'm gonna. You know what? I'm not gonna write a cite. I'm just gonna say Captain Baldwin was here.
Tell Needles.
Listen here. Number one.
Hey,
One might have left. I don't know.
Glenn left, yeah.
He's out of here.
The girl in the black shirt was going to get insurance. I'll go grab her.
Okay.
Bravo 23.
Hi, are you Mom?
I'm Mom, yes.
Thank you for coming so fast.
Of course.
I'm gonna take off. Okay, thanks. Appreciate it. Okay, here's that. Thank you. I'm just printing this off and we'll get them on their way.
Okay, perfect, thanks.
Control 2X5, I'm clear, you can take me off the screen. Okay. George, and control 1030. Okay. Good one.
Okay, sir, here's your information back. So this is driver exchange form here. This has all of your vehicle information, all of his vehicle information on it, okay? The most important number on this piece of paper is this one, top left. This is your incident number, case number, whatever you want to call it. That's the number the accident will be filed under. When you contact your insurance company, that's the number that they're going to ask for. As far as citations, the timeline is really tight, okay, with the witness and with you turning, with him coming. I'm not sure, I'm not very positive whether his light was red or yellow. If his light was yellow, then you have to yield. Does that make sense? If his light is red, then obviously he's running the red light. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Because I can't really prove either of those things at this point, especially with the third-party witness. I'm not issuing citations, but you will need to just contact your insurance company. Is that fair? Do you have any questions about that?
No.
There are no cameras on these lights?
There are cameras, but they're just live feed cameras.
Okay.
They don't record. So, bummer, huh?
What's the purpose of them then?
Well, for dispatch, like dispatch is able to see the accident, like, okay, they're blocking these lanes. Or if we have like, if there's a pursuit or something like that, like, hey, they're going through Thousand East Red Hills or something like that.
Okay.
So does that make sense? Are you gonna go to, you said you're hurting, are you gonna go to the hospital or anything?
I'll evaluate. I don't think so. I don't want to, but yeah, I don't think so.
Okay.
But they'll be able to get me there if I decide
Okay.
to.
All right.
But I should be fine.
Other than that, you're good to go. Hope you have a better night. You'll probably feel like a piece of plywood tomorrow, but
Yeah, I'm excited for that.
pretty big. Did you get a card here?
No,
Okay.
I'm actually out of cards, but I did want to make sure they have the information and contact us.
There you go. If you want to use my pen really quick and then get his information, be right back with you. All right, buddy, here's your information back here. So this is a driver exchange form. This has all of his vehicle information and all your vehicle information, okay? The most important number on this piece of paper is this one right here, top left. This is your case number, incident number, all that stuff, okay? That's the number that the report will be filed under, all right? When you contact your insurance company, that's the number they're going to ask for right there, okay? So I am not issuing citations today because I can't prove one way or the other about exactly what happened, okay? So if your light is yellow, then he didn't yield. If your light was red, okay, and you sped up, to make the red light, then that's your bet. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I have a third-party witness. There's just we're like seconds. I just can't. I'm not comfortable with citing anybody because I don't know exactly what happened. Okay.
All right.
So, do you have any questions about that?
No.
No. Okay. Mom, do you have any questions? Since you'll probably be taking care of this.
I will be taking care of this, and this is all new for me, but
Okay.
we'll figure it out.
All right. So basically, just call your insurance company. Let them know he's involved in an accident. They'll ask for this number. Okay, and then just kind of go from there. They'll help you out. They'll do whatever insurance companies do. Okay.
Right.
All right.
I was told it was going to tell us where the car is.
So you just bailed out. Let me get you some information really quick. And let me get I'll write down the record information for you.
All right. Yeah, it'll be out there.
Thank you.
Okay.
Heavy evidence collected, 1719.
Blitz Mobile Repairs, who took your who had your car, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Is their address and then the phone number's on there.
Okay.
Does anybody else have any other questions? No? Okay. All right, we'll have a better night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Take care.